Hi all, welcome back to my channel PySpark Pearl. So in this video, we'll be discussing about the interview questions which was asked in Capgemini to one of my friends. So this is a very recent question that he was faced around 1 week ago, and he was having experience of about 3 to 4 years. Like he was having about 3 years and 5 months of experience. So he faced two questions. One was from PySpark, and another was one Python question. So without wasting much time, let us start discussing the problems that he faced. So the first question he faced was write a spark script to find the employee with the highest salary in each department. So we can write either in Scala or in Python API format, so whether in whichever you are comfortable. So we have imported the necessary library for this solution, and this is a data. This is John 151. Everything is clear. Then employee DF, and now we want to create the solution, right? So let us understand how to solve the problem. So here we find the salary, highest salary in each department. So what we can do, we can create a window which is like partition on the basis of department ID, right? On the basis of department ID, we can partition it, and then we can order by on the basis of salary, and then we can get the rank, right? We can apply the rank function and get it. So let us try to solve this. So first of all, let us create the window specification. Already I've imported the function. Let me first run this and let us visualize the data first, right? This will be helpful. So I'm running this for the first time. In the meantime, I will also, in the you will write the code to show this as well. Okay, let us wait for the above code to complete. It will take some time because the cluster is just now started. Anyways, let's wait for some time. So it got completed, as you can see. employeeDF, it's created some Spark SQL data frame object. Now it will actually create data frame and will show us. It is taking some time because it is a community cluster, right? So it might take some time. No issues in that. Okay, yeah. So we can see the output: employee ID, employee name, department ID, and the salary. So now let us create the window specification. So what we discussed, we need to create the window specification that would be partitioned by on the basis of department ID. So window dot partition by. You can copy the column name here from here. Department ID. Okay, and we should be ordering by on the basis of salary, right? Dot order by on the basis of let us use the call function. Call salary dot descending. Okay, so let me run this. I hope there is no syntax error in this. It is correct. So now let us create another data frame, which will be like a ranked data frame. Rank df is equal to df. This was df, right? Employee df. Employee df dot with column rank, and this will be we need to use the rank function. Let me check. I've imported that function, I guess. So yeah, already I've imported that function. So rank and over this window specification, rank dot over. So we need to copy this and I will paste it inside here. So this will be creating our ranked df. Okay, so in the subsequent step we will also visualize the ranked df dot show. Yeah, I'm doing it in the separate cell, but you can do it all in the one cell. Right? There is no issue in that. It's totally fine. So you can see we are getting the exact data frame that we wanted as we desired. Now there is only one step remaining, that we want to filter out where the rank is one, as you want the highest salary in each department, right? And the other thing also, we can drop the rank column. So these two we are going to do in the same step. So we can say like highest cell df. Let me give a name, like we can give highest cell df by department or anything, by that's no issues. We know that rank df dot filter where column rank equal 1. And also we can drop uh, call rank, right? We can do this. So let us also visualize and just verify whether whatever we have done it is correct or not. We can see for employee ID 2, 4, and 6, we are having the highest salary. We can cross check. Employee ID 2, we are having highest salary. Then for department ID 2, we have highest salary for Alice. Then for E, we are having highest salary. So we are getting the exact output that we desired as the question asked. So this was one of the question that was asked in the Capgemini. I hope it, so. Let me bring the solution in one frame. I think that will be helpful for you. Just a second. I just me copy this too. I've already copied the window specification. Now this is the rank df and the final statement of dropping. Right, and the last step I can mention highest cell df dot show. Let me run it here. In the meantime, okay, it ran very fast now as the cursor was already activated. I guess that's why it is running too fast. So we can see this. So this is the solution, and this is the exact output that we wanted. So you can just pause the video and go through the solution. In the meantime, let's go and discuss the second question. So this was a list. So let me make this list one is equal to this one. So there is a non-coding or non very less code solution is for this. Like we can use set and we can get the unique elements out of the list. But the demand of the question was we should not be using any inbuilt function. So for that we can run a loop for I in list one, right? Uh, Here one thing also we need to create a final list, or we can name it as unique underscore list, right? So we can say like if I not in unique list, then unique list dot append I, and then we can finally print a unique list. I think this is it. I think this was a very easy question, 1 2 3 4. So we are getting the unique elements out of it. So this was a very simple question that he was asked. Then he was also asked some questions, on currying, and then what is salting, then what is queuing. So all these are very basic question that you might be getting. Let me just note it down. So the first question was of currying. What is currying, right? Creating and build, creating nested functions, that is currying. You can read more about it. Then what is salting, right? Then what is going, just a second. Then what is queuing, right? So all this kind of uh, questions he was asked. And optimization techniques. So for automation techniques, already I've created a video for queuing also, I guess. If not, I will just create one more video on a theoretical question that is very commonly asked in the Spark interviews or the big data interviews. So in the upcoming video I will be creating that. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked it, and do share and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Oh, so yeah.